Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back to day 16 of Vlogmas. I hope you're enjoying my Vlogmas series so far, and of course it is Sunday, so we're going to do another baking video, and this is a chocolate fridge cake. Well, it's kind of like Rocky Road's fridge cake, no bake, easy to make, Christmas pudding style look. So it's Rocky Road's Christmas style. So for this you'll need 200 grams of dime bar, or you can use crunchie, doesn't matter. Then you need 400 grams between the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate, so 200 of each really, but these were 150 gram bars, so we've got 2 milk and 1 dark. And you'll also need some white chocolate, not the whole bar but just for decoration. You need to have 100 grams of mini marshmallows. We couldn't find mini marshmallows, so we've got the hearts, but we're going to cut them up. You need 2 or 3 glazier cherries, and then I've got some green food colouring for like the holly leaves on the top of it. And then you'll need 200 grams of digestives, 125 of golden syrup, and 125 grams of unsalted butter, which isn't here yet. Then I've got cling film for the bowl, because we're going to use this clear bowl so you can see it all, but this will make the Christmas pudding shape basically. So I'm going to start by weighing all my ingredients out and cling film in the bowl, and then we will put it all together. So you can see I have cling filmed the bowl. I've got 2 bars of milk and the dark here, so it'll be the full of the dark plus a whole one of the milk and like a quarter of the other one. And then I've also got the 125 of butter, unsalted butter, and 125 of golden syrup. So in here I've got all of the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate, the butter and the golden syrup. This needs to melt down and then you can put it in the bowl. Now that this is done, we've took it off the heat, and we're going to pour in the digestives, which I've smashed up, and we've cut up the chocolate and the marshmallows and we just put it all in together. Okay, so now this is all done, we need to transfer it into the bowl. So we'll do this in now. So the cling film bowl this pours into. So we're going to pour some of this into here. I thought you was going to pour it.
No, I'm going to spoon it.
Make sure you get the chocolate bit at the bottom. Yeah, that bit looks good. Oh, that'll be alright.
Perfect.
And then this goes in the fridge to set, and then you can decorate it afterwards. So I'll put this in the fridge now and be back later. So the cake has been in the, well, it's actually been in the freezer for about an hour, and it's now set enough so we can decorate the top to make it into a Christmas pudding. So it's when you need your white chocolate, your green food gel and your glazier cherries. So we're going to take this out of the cling film now. My mum's going to help because I'm too scared. This way. And peel the cling film off. Now we're going to melt a bit of the white chocolate and pour it over the top. So once we've melted it, we'll be back. So I used a quarter of the bar and just melted it in the microwave for a minute. Now we're going to pour this over the top. It doesn't matter how messy it is because it's meant to be that way. Huh?
Like so.
Like it's, yeah. I wonder if the drizzle down there anymore. Now with the cherries, you're finished. I'm going to place two, no, stop it. 2 in the middle, or 3 in the middle. And with the food colouring, I'm going to just draw on some leaves. Okay, now with the green food colouring, I'm gonna just draw some leaves on. And there you have your Christmas pudding, fridge cake slash rocky roads. This is my first attempt at this and I've done pretty well. I've never made this, I just found it on Pinterest and, well, 2 recipes and mixed it together. So I'd say obviously you could use your green food colouring once the white's dried, because that one's really spread, but it just adds to it. So there we go. And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you would make this or you'd make it in mini size. I think it would look really cute as little mini Christmas puddings. Please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post. And thanks for watching. Bye, see you tomorrow.